Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, The Life Learnings. My name is Preeti. I would like to thank you very much for all the support that you have given to my channel. For all those of you who have yet not subscribed, kindly do subscribe as that would really motivate me and help me grow my channel. Thank you so much. Today I'm completely thrilled, completely excited to share this video with you. It is the part 4 of the sequel that I have been making, which is inspired by the book The Secret. You know, we have already completed 3 videos on that with the 3 steps out of the 4 steps. And today I'm going to take the step 4. For all those of you who are new to my channel and who have missed out on those videos, I'm going to leave a link below in the description box. You can check it out. So stay with me till the end of this video as I'm going to explain to you how you should give gratitude to the universe, why is it important to give gratitude, and the law of gratitude is also what I'm going to explain to you, what is it all about. And in my next video, I'm going to give you some exercises so that you can practice and develop giving gratitude. Let's quickly start this video. We can start from a small recap of what we have done previously. You know that in the book The Secret, they talk about the 4 steps that you need to do to attract whatever you want in your life, which is called law of attraction. So how does law of attraction work? By doing these 4 steps correctly in synchronization. So the first step was to ask the universe for whatever you want. And we did an exercise using the 2 whys so that you are able to be a bit more specific about what you really want. Then we did to believe, that is to believe that you will receive from the universe whatever you have asked for. So that is a little difficult, I understand friends. You need to practice a little bit. You need to put a little bit of time and effort. Practice it because I'm sure most of you are holding rigid belief patterns from I don't know how many years. And there are blocks, there are doubts, and there are fears associated with believing. So you need to eliminate those. Watch that video for sure so that you are able to practice the believing part. Then the next step was to receive. How can you receive from the universe what you have asked for? You need to simply go into the space of feeling that in the now moment you are receiving it, in the present moment. You need to use your creative visualization to create a picture of whatever you want is what you are receiving. You need to see yourself in the receiving mode. You need to see yourself joyful, happy, excited. And that's when you need to bring in the gratitude part. Exactly that is the time when you need to do the step 4, which is of giving gratitude to the universe for giving you that what you have asked for. Most of us have heard from childhood that we should say thank you when we receive something. We should say sorry when we do something wrong. But we have never been given an explanation that why do we need to do that, right? There must be some reason that we have been asked to do something like this. So I'm going to explain to you what it means. The step 4 is very, very important. It completes you with the entire procedure of the 4 steps that you have been doing. It completes the procedure of the law of attraction. Why does this procedure complete you is what I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to explain to you what completion means over here. I'll just give you a small example. If your mother gives you an iPhone suddenly as a gift just because she knew you really wanted it, how are you going to feel? I'm sure you're going to feel joyful, happy, excited, and thankful, correct? You'll want to definitely thank her for giving you a gift. But suppose you only show your joy, your happiness, and your excitement, and you don't thank her. How are you going to feel from within? Are you going to feel light-hearted or are you going to feel heavy-hearted? I'm sure you're going to feel heavy-hearted, right? It's because you need to thank her. You need to acknowledge to her that you're grateful for that gift. So that's when you feel complete. After thanking the person or after thanking that someone who has given you something or done something for you is when you feel complete and you feel light-hearted. This is what completion means. What giving gratitude does is that it fastens the process of your manifestation. Suppose your father was to give you a birthday gift and you keep thanking him way in advance for that gift. I'm sure he will be reminded each day and he may give you the gift a bit earlier. Yeah, that happens sometimes, correct? You're reminding the universe each day that you're thankful to the universe for giving you that something. You just don't know when suddenly it may just fall into your lap. Because this is what law of gratitude is all about. Like the law of gravity, like the law of attraction. Law of gratitude also works like the law of attraction and the law of gravity. That is why to give gratitude to the people, to the situations, to the things, and to the divine is very important, as it makes you feel whole and complete. Let's do it the other way around. I'll again take a small example. Now suppose you are the universe and you are doing something for someone every day. In your office, you have been helping the person, but the person does not acknowledge or thank you for that. How are you going to start feeling in some time? Your vibes will change. That is what vibes and vibrations are all about. You will start feeling that no, you don't want to give in so much time and effort to that person, because the person is not even acknowledging to you that you have done something for that person. So you'll gradually start doing less, or you'll not do the same thing with the same spirit anymore. This is what vibes and vibrations over here is. When your vibes change, things change. So this is what law of gratitude is. That is why giving gratitude works wonders. If you learn to give gratitude to each and everything in your life, right from the breath that you take, to the sunlight that you receive, to all the other natural resources that you have access to, and to the people around you, to your circumstances, to your situations, to your assets, to your liabilities, because even your liabilities are your own, right? So you need to even send love to your liabilities. Learn to give gratitude to each and everything. That is what is, in the real sense, staying in the attitude of gratitude mean. So learn to stay in the attitude of gratitude. It is very important. It works wonders. And if you have liked this video, do give me a like, and do support my channel by subscribing to it and pressing the bell icon for notifications. I'm sending you loads of love, luck and light in your life. Thank you.